Welcome back Autobots and Decepticons to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be showing you Transformers Studios, or not Studio Series, Legacy United Leader Class Sandstorm. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our post notifications so you never miss an upload. And thumbs up if you enjoy. So, with that all out of the way, let's begin. Like always, packaging, here it is. It's a nice image of Sandstorm, both in his vehicle mode and both in his vehicle modes. This side of the box, a nice image of Sandstorm. Opposite side of the box, the nice artwork. Back of the box, you can see him both in his robot mode and in the vehicle modes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the packaging. So here we have Sandstorm in his Doom Buggy mode, and he's a really cool figure. I do really much enjoy him. Oh yeah, see, very nice looking vehicle mode. See, with the orange, the red. See, nice orange. Said red. It's black. Nice silver, nice gray. It's very nice. Total underneath. Yeah. The Doom Buggy mode is kind of the weakest, but I don't really much care. Yeah. Rolls. Very good. See nice rubber tires, which you don't really see much of. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So for accessories, does come with quite a few. Have his gun. Does also come with miniature laser gun. And he also comes with the cage thing. And you can actually store this in the Doom Buggy mode. So what you want to do is unattach all of this. Make sure it's up like that from here, and just want to remove all that here. So come in here, just take this, you plug that on like that, then you come here, just slide that there, then underneath here, just come here, and just push this there, and I'll just tab in. And yeah. So there you have some weapon storage. So there you have the storage. With the gun, you can just put them literally anywhere. You put that one right there. Or, oops, put the other one right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool how you can actually store that. So, let's do some size comparisons. So here he is. Here he is next to my previous review, Legacy Gears. Here he is next to Studio Series Optimus Prime. Here he is next to Astral Train. Authorize Astral Train. And last but not least, series next to Studio Series Starscream. So yeah. So that's pretty much it all to talk about. So now let's get down to one of his transformations, which is going to be his helicopter mode. So what I want to do is just move the cage if it decides it wants to. There we go. Move the wrench. Then I want to come underneath here and just remove this. can be a bit tricky. Just side, and there we go. Alright, so now, yeah, let's actually do this real quick. So you just come here, just place that together, and you can just take this, and that just goes right in there, and voila, there we go. So connect that off to the side. So now for Sandstorm himself. So to get into the helicopter mode, first thing you want to do is just bring up these panels. You have these two, bring them up like so. Then what you can do is come here, and you just wanna untab that, rotate this up, and tab it in. Do the same, and tab, bring it up, and tab that in. Now what you want to do, you leave this out to the side so you can just flip these back. Now what you want to do, come here, tab this. There, you can actually bring this up as well. It's here. You just want to flip this piece in, like so. Here, what you want to do is flip up the head, then just bring all this down, so till it's flush, just like that. Now, what you want to do next is to come here, tab, want to flip these forward. I want to take this wheel, bring it upwards, and then you just want to rotate it. Want to rotate this wheel down like that, because then you just want to flip it forward, so they have the wheels be just like this. Once you have like this, now you take the arms, or you can take the it's his arms, and just plug them into the sides like that. Then what you want to do is bring this panel back, take the propellers, bring them out, you want to rotate them around like so. Then you just take this whole thing. No, then you want to untab these, so you can just fold all this back, bring it down, get it all flush, close that up, tabbing this in, come here, just push that in, said just nice little squeeze, like so. Then what you want to do next is actually flip out orange pieces like that, and you can just fold down, fold. You can just then rotate this here, rotate that around, tab that together, sure, orange, make sure things all nice together. Then what you want to do is just open the propellers, sure that's up. And there you have Sandstorm in his helicopter mode. Alright, so let's take a close look at the details. New details. See, very nice. The black, the gray, or the silver I should say. See, underneath, yeah, see his head. Wheels hold up very nice. He rolls. Great. The nice orange. Yes, this can spin. Same thing for back here. Can spin as well. Overall, a very nice looking helicopter mode. Yeah. Weaponry. These can just store on the sides. And for this, you can just up, and it just plugs in right under there. So I'm not gonna plug it in all the way because it's hard to get out, but yeah. Just try to raise up the camera. I'm not gonna try doing it one-handed. Just raise it up. And see. Yeah. Oh, very good. Let's move all this. Bring out the camera. So now, for some size comparisons. Here he is. Here he is next to Previous View, Legacy Gears, Optimus Prime, Astro Train, and Studio Series Starscream. Yeah. So, pretty much it all to talk about here. So, transform them into robot mode. First thing I want to do, collapse those like that. Collapse all this, propellers. So, then what you want to do next, open up these panels, bring back this piece, bring this up, bring the propellers back like that, and you just want to rotate this all the way up and leave it like that. Because now what you want to do here on tab, bring out these panels, then rotate these back like so. Then back here, use the double hinge. Make sure those are properly out. Let me bring this up. And tab slot connection right there. So tab that in. Do the same. Rotate this piece up. I'm actually bring out the camera. Then here, tab that in. You can just take the propellers, bring them all the way up, and you just collapse all the in like that. Then come here, bring up that panel, and tab that in. Then you take the head, and you want to bring it up and have this unpeg the arms, flip this up, bring this up. It should be able to tab in. It's supposed to tab in, but it doesn't on my copy. There, then flip up these panels. Almost forgot about that. Then here, bring these out, all the way out. Rotate, rotate. Then tab slot connection right there. Do the same. Back. Rotate. Tab that in. Extend the legs. Bring out the heel spurs. Bring out the feet. Split the legs. Bring this out. Flip out the hand. Close it back up. Bring down the arm. Do the same. Flip out. Rotate hand. Close it back up. Bring down the arm. Then there you have Sandstorm and his robot. Hang on the camera. In his robot mode. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the head sculpt. See? Very nice head sculpt. See, with the silver, blue eyes, orange, the black, down, same stomach, down, silver, the orange, the yellow, wheels, the back, yeah. See, overall very nice. It just one issue, which I heard that other people have this problem where that's supposed to tab in right there, but it really doesn't. Not even like for your full strength, it doesn't want to. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Really nice. So for articulation wise, his head is on a ball joint. You can't look up only that far, can't look down that far. Head can move left to right. His arms can move out that far. They can go up that far. They can go back that far. Rotation. A little over 90 degrees bend. Hand can indeed rotate. Legs to move up that far. They can go back that far. Can go out that far. Rotation. Does have a bend at the knee. Say a little less hair, like it's a tiny bit less than 90 degrees. His legs move up that far, or can move down or up far. Up and down that far. Does have an ankle pivot. So articulation, kind of good. One problem is that. Yeah. So for weaponry, just take the gun, hand, smaller gun. You can also plug into his hand, but for in the show, it's actually comes out of the side of his arm. So that, and for the little cage thing, you can just hold it. And just raise that up. So yeah. So now bring down the camera a bit and zoom in for some size comparisons. So there he is next to. You can see Gears, Optimus Prime, Astro Train, and last but not least, Starscream. Oh yeah. So that's pretty much all to talk about. So now let's get him back down to transformation to his helicopter mode, then back into Doom Buggy mode. So let's remove everything. Alright, so first thing we want to do, open up this panel, flip in the hand, close it back up. Same. Next thing to do is come down here to legs and just tab all this together. It could be a bit tricky, but just tab it all together. Then next thing you want to do is to fold up those panels. Fold up the heel spurs, bring down the foot. Then here, collapse all that down as far as it can go. That all clicks into place. Then what you want to do is bring this out. Take this wheel, bring it up, rotate it. Till you have it. Come on. Come on. Rotate it. For some reason this wheel likes to fight me a lot. There. The other side. That. And there we go. Now, what you want to do from here, down, flip that in. It's down, tab it's into the sides, like so. Collapse all that down. Then come down here, flip orange pieces down, flip this piece down, bring out the pillars, bring them down, whole section. Nope, sorry, untap this. Then you can just bring this whole section down, straighten. Oh no, flip that panel up, then you can just bring this whole section down. Like so, and try your best to straighten it out. So now what you want to do is to rotate these front sections around, tab it in. Then you can just open up panels. Then there you have them, back in his helicopter mode. So now get him back into, now for dune buggy mode, first thing I want to do, collapse all pillars. So then you can come here, untap this, flip them out. Then next thing you want to do, come here, and basically rotate them. Basically this whole front section is basically getting him into robot mode stuff. Then come here, tap this, flip out those panels, flip down that panel, make sure the propellers there so you can flip this up, bring back, tab in, flip up these panels, take the propellers, rotate them up here, collapse all those in, tab that in. Then what you want to do here, head, here, no, there's fine, tap the arms, up, flip that up, and want to leave it like that. Here for the head, just bring all this out, back the head, bring all this back, then these will just tab in, so we'll do this off camera. There we go. So now, next thing you want to do, just bring this up for now. So you can just bring out panels down and just want to tab them. Basically like robot mode configuration. To have it like this. So for here, thing you want to do is bring this forward. And we'll just tab right in there. And tab, bring this whole section down. Nope, got one. Make sure this panel's out. So, flip that out. Then this will just tab right in there. Same, flip it out, bring it down. And tab that in. Make sure all this in. Then, come back here. Flip out the spoiler, or open these panels, so open the spoiler. Then they have them back in vehicle mode. Yeah, so I have them back in this dune buggy mode, like I said. So final thoughts on Legacy Sandstorm? A good figure. Both the robot mode and his helicopter mode are really great, but the dune buggy mode, it's alright. Like, I can understand, but anyway, still an amazing figure. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to transform and roll out.